Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to enable dark mode in Gmail on Android. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support the channel. And now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly here of course you just have to make sure that your phone is already connected to the internet. And after, go ahead to your Gmail applications. And as you can see on my Gmail, I use the light mode here guys. If you wanna set and if you want to manage it as a dark mode, you just have to go to this three lines icon at the top left, and after scroll it down until you find here the settings options. Just go ahead and tap on it. Now go into this general settings, and after at the first option we'll see the theme options. I guess you just have to tap on it. If you want to enable the dark mode or the dark theme, you just have to choose this second option, which is dark. Just go ahead like this and it will be look like this. It will be changed to the dark mode. If you want to save it, you just have to go back because it will save automatically. So yeah, I think it's enough guys. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.